Okay, welcome back to decode coding. Last class में या last video में we saw this kind of a patterns like one was the square pattern and one was this triangle ulta wala and another triangle was this. Now we will see one more pattern. Let's say the pattern that we'll be seeing is something like this. Okay, something like this. I'm saying here star, then I'm providing underscore here, star, underscore here, star, underscore here, star. Let's say 1 2 3 4 5 stars I will take. That means here I will take number of lines is 5, and I will say star here at the end, star here at the front, star here at the end, star here at the end. 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4. That means I have to take the 5 lines, so I will say star underscore star underscore star underscore star underscore star. Okay, this is my pattern, and in between I will take this these underscores: 1 underscore, second, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, and seventh, right? So here again I will take this 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 1 2 3 4 5 6 7, right? So let's see what kind of a pattern we'll be using here for this formula, for this pattern. Like what kind of a formula we have to use. We have to make certain kind of a formula here, so that will be easy for us to do it. Some people are doing it with 2 for loops, but I don't think that's necessary to use the 2 for loops. Because of that, the time complexity will increase, right? So let's see if you will analyze here. When you are having the 5 stars, like when you are having number of lines of this 5, so I am having 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Okay, so total number of things that you are having here is 9 in a one line, right? So same thing here, 1 2, and between we are having 7 lines, between we are having 7 these lines. That means also here we are having 9, right? Okay, now if I will take one more question so that we can make a formula, I will say star space here, star space here, and star, right? This is for the 3. That means 3 lines will be having here, 3 lines. If my now on left line is 3, I will say space here, star space here, right? And here how many you can get? 1 2 3, right? So here also you are getting 3, here you are getting 7. Just remember it, here you are getting the 3 in between, right? So one more we will say with a 4, I will say star space star space star space, that is 3 stars, and 4th star 1 3 and 4, and I will say star space star space star space star, and in between we will have 2 stars, and here you can see 1 2 3 4 1 2 3 4 5, right? And here 1 2 3 4 5. That means here you are having 5. Okay, let's see the pattern here. Here we are having number of lines is 5, number of lines is 5, and this we will see how we will do it, but this middle part we have to check how we will do it. So if I will take this star and this star, this is done. Let's say talk about these underscores, right? So underscores I need here 7, underscores I need here 3, and underscores in every line here I need 5 in a one row, right? So can I see it is like this? So number of lines you are having 5, can I see it is 2 into 5 minus 3, 2 5s are 10, 10 minus 3 is 7, and here same formula, 2 into 3 minus 3, 2 3s are is 6, minus 3 is 3, you are getting 3 here, right? Let's go with this. We are having 4 lines. I will say 2 into 4 minus 3, 2 4s are is 8, 8 minus 3 is 5, right? So that means for these underscores we have to use this formula, that is something like this: 2 into lines minus, yes, minus 3. This is the formula that we'll be using for these spaces. Getting this point? Let's see the first and last line as I have shown in the last previous class as well. Let me go from the start. Okay, so same thing I will say here for I in range from 1 to length plus 1, and if you don't know how we have done it, please check the previous video. It is same in this playlist only, that is Python playlist 2025, and here we will be doing something like this. So for the first line, if you can see here, for the first line you are having star space star space star space star space. So how many star spaces? 1 2 3, 4, and then we having the star at end. So I will do something like this. I will say if your I is equal to 1, or your I is equal to line, right? So at the time what you do, you should print, right? I will go with the pattern of stars, underscore, star and underscore, right? And this star and underscore, how much we need? 1, 2, 3, 4 here, 1, 2 here, 1, 2, 3 here, right? That means it is line is -1. So here we are having line is 5, but this star space we need 4. So I will say here into and bracket I will keep here line is -1, right? And then we need the last star as well. So I will say here plus we need a last star. So I will say here star, right? So with line is -1, that is 4, I will get here star underscore 4 times, and the last one, that is this star, and the last one is this star. Okay, so you can check it. If I'm saying 3 - 1, so star space I will get 2 here, then last star I have to add here manually, right? It is for line number 1 and line number last, right? So I'm saying here line number 1 and line number last. Getting this? This is clear. Now else, that means rest of the lines that are the middle part. So I will say here print, right? And if you can see, for these middle underscores we have got the formula, right? We have got the formula, but in front we need 1 star, and at the end we need other star, and in between we can keep this formula here, right? So what I will say is print the star, that is the first star, right? Plus, and in between we need here one more plus, so I will say plus here, and at the end we have to use one more star, right? So in between we will use a formula. What formula I use? As we have seen here, that means underscore, and this underscore we have to multiply with, yes, lines, 2 into lines, 2 into lines, then we have to perform -3 here, and that is 8. Okay, so now if I will run it, and let's see, I'm giving here 3, it will give this pattern, right? So again if I will run it, let me give here 4, so this is the pattern. Now again if I run it, I will give 6, this is the pattern. Again if I run here, I will give 8. Now this is the pattern. Again if I run it here, and I will give 10 here, you will get this thing, right? So I hope you understood what we try to do here, because first line and the last line is fully connected, right? So first line and last line, I have told here, if I is equal to 1, that means at that time this will run. When I is equal to 2, will this run? No. At the time what will run? Else part will run. You will get the first star, this is this star, and you will get the last star, that is this last star, and between these underscores you will get by this formula, right? And again this I iterates over and over again for 1, and except last line, this will run for other lines that are coming between 1 and last line. I hope you understood this question as well.